everyone, Katrina here, and today I'm going to show you how to solve challenging trigonometric integrals using U-Substitution. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and watch to the end to see this example unfold. We're going to dive right into our first example. We're going to consider the integral of sin² x multiplied by cos³ x, and we're integrating with respect to x. So before we dive into the U-Substitution, we want to play around with this integral and see if there's any simplifications or changes we can do at the beginning that will make our U-Substitution more convenient. So that being said, why don't we keep our sin² x, but we're going to decompose our cos³ into cos² x multiplied by cos x dx. We're doing this because we can recognize that we can rewrite cos² x as 1 minus sin² x. And this is part of the Pythagorean identity, where we have sin² x plus cos² x equals to 1. So we can simply rewrite this as 1 minus sin² x equals cos² x. So after doing that, we get the integral of sin² x multiplied by 1 minus sin² x multiplied by cos x dx. And this is where our cool trig substitution, U-Substitution is going to come into place. We're going to say let u equals to sin x. Therefore, when we take the derivative, du equals to cos x dx. And now we want to isolate for dx because that's what will be going in the substitution. So we have that du over cos x equals to dx. Now let's go ahead and take the substitution and plug it into our integral. By doing this, we end up with u² multiplied by 1 minus u² and then du. We get this because our cos x here and our cos x here are going to cancel out in the previous step. So let's go ahead and expand this. So now after our expansion, we have the integral of u² minus u to the power of 4 du. We can use our integration rules here and separate this. That means we have the integral of u² du minus the integral of u to the power of 4 du. And now this is a really simple integral to solve. We just have to use the reverse of power rule, which is one of our derivative rules. Therefore, we get u to the power of 3 over 3 minus u to the power of 5 over 5. And we have to remember to add our plus c because this is an indefinite integral. However, we're not done yet. What do we have to do now? We have to reverse the substitution that we've done because our original problem is not with respect to u, but it's with respect to our sines and coses. So let's go ahead and sub that back in. So what do we get? As a result, we have sin³ x over 3 minus sine to the power of 5x over 5, and then plus c. And that there is our final answer. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like and comment any questions that you may have. Also, please subscribe for more videos, and I look forward to seeing you next time.